Let me start off by saying happy anniversary. Doesn't seem like it's been 10 years. It's going very, very quickly. It may be that all the fights of the past decade will turn out to be a preamble for the battles that are about to come. And no matter what, I promise you this, we'll stand together, shoulder to shoulder for good jobs, for retirement security, and for health care. We will be there as one always. I promise you that. Most of all, though, I want to recognize each one of you because Alliance members have been an incredible source of activism. You don't have to look any farther than this year in Wisconsin to see what a true difference that each one of you make. You've also been in the thick of it with SB 5 in Ohio and the fights to save Social Security and Medicare all across this country. See, every major advance of the last decade really bears your fingerprints on it. You fought hard for good prescription drug law in 2003. You moved right into the successful fight against privatizing Social Security. Doesn't it get sort of tiring? I mean, they've been trying to privatize and get rid of Social Security since 1935. They can't stand success, even though it stands up and bites them squarely in the butt. They want to get rid of it, and I promise you something, it is not going to happen. Never. And then we had this guy that from Texas that was president, and I think they called him W. And you sort of ended his legislative run with all you did. And then in 2007 and 8, you supported health care reform, and quite frankly, your work was crucial to the passage of the Affordable Health Care Act. And it's a good start. It's not the end, it's not everything we wanted, but it got us started in the right direction and actually gives us a chance to reach our goal of quality health care for every American, regardless of where you live, where you worship, or what you look like. And let me thank you for this year because you made sure that the attacks against Social Security and Medicare were in the public eye, so our worst politicians couldn't be silent killers of our most successful family protection program. And all of this time, your strength has really come from the grassroots. You took those bus trips to Canada to buy prescription drugs. You held knit-ins outside congressional offices to defend Medicare. Let me just say this to you. You're a real political force. You're a powerful force, very powerful force. And we're honored, pleasantly surprised, and happy to be alongside you. And when those politicians come out of the super committee, when they come after us, you'll be ready, and we'll be ready, and we'll stand side by side united. We're not going to let anybody, and I mean anybody, cut Social Security and Medicare benefits. I don't care who proposes it. We're against it, and we'll stop it. You see, brothers and sisters, the Alliance for Retired Americans is far more than an advocate for seniors. This organization is a powerful ally of all working people. You're a movement builder. And I think your power comes from three separate things: your credibility and connections in your communities, your experience as activists, who have weathered career of political storms, and the passion that lies deep within you, right here. No one can give you that. It's what you come with. See, it's a passion that motivates you day after day, year after year, to put yourself out there to fight to make America what it should be, what it can be, and what we need it to be, what it must be for generations and generations to come. And for that, I salute you. On behalf of every last member of the AFL-CIO and the American labor movement, we salute you for taking on yet one more fight and being there for working people.